Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies. Hope you're doing well today. We have a huge question to answer today, and a lot of people ask it. What's the difference between your plastic cabinets and your stainless cabinets? And really it just comes down to price. What do you want to pay? What are you willing to pay? What can you afford to pay? That's why we have plastic and that's why we have stainless. Also, that's why we offer carbon steel as an option, which we don't recommend, but some people want it. Carbon steel is going to rust, right? It's going to rust. We've replaced many machines in the past years that have been carbon steel from other manufacturers, and that, started leaking everywhere and they had to be repaired. But stainless versus plastic, I have no preference. Personally, it always comes down to the size of the cabinet and what the need is. These plastic cabinets will hold up just like the stainless cabinets will. As I said in a couple videos before, we have had the plastic cabinets in production since 2016. So we've had zero issues with the plastic cabinets, period. They're a single molded unit. They have no leak points. There's no two pieces that have to be glued together. They're all one unit. They're all one piece. So when we start building them here in the factory, we just have to assemble fittings on them and drill a few holes to attach some things. But the cabinet is stupid robust and very strong. It's a 1/4 inch thick, which is obviously double the thickness of our stainless and our carbon cabinets. Those are 1/8 of an inch thick, which for metal wise, that's thick, but plastic, I'm just telling you, that's how much thicker it is and how much more durable it is. So don't make that comparison, plastic versus metal, but always look at the size of the cabinet and what that need is.